A very good morning to all my students. Hope all of you are doing great. So, today we are going to cover a very interesting topic, that is verbs. So, earlier we have done nouns. I think the doubts have been cleared in this. And today we are going to study about verbs. So, verbs किसको बोलते हैं basically? Verbs are used to describe an action. किसी भी चीज का action अगर हम करते हैं तो उसे हम verb कहते हैं. Verbs are the action words in a sentence that describe what the subject is doing. And along with nouns, verbs are the main part of any sentence or any phrase. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम बोलते हैं जेनिफर वॉक टू द स्टोर, तो यहाँ पे क्या एक्शन हो रहा है? जेनिफर वॉक कर रही है. सो वॉक हेयर इज अ वर्ब. सिमिलरली अगर मैं बोलूं कि आई परचेज्ड एप्पल फ्रॉम द स्टोर, सो व्हाट एम आई डूइंग? व्हाट इज द एक्शन इन दिस? वेरी गुड, इट इज द परचेज. मैं परचेज कर रही हूँ, दैट इज एन एक्शन. सो किसी भी चीज को जो हम एक्शन जो डिस्क्राइब करते हैं उसे हम वर्ब बोलते हैं. ना वर्ब किस टाइप्स के होते हैं? तीन तरह के वर्ब्स होते हैं ब्रॉड में. जैसे एक हो गया एक्शन वर्ब्स, दूसरा हो गया लिंकिंग वर्ब्स एंड थर्ड वन हो गया हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स, जिसे हम ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स भी बोलते हैं. सो वी विल स्टडी ईच एंड एवरी वर्ब्स इन डिटेल्स. ओके, so let's start with the action verbs. So action verbs are the words that express action. Simple, like give, eat, walk, etc. Okay. So verbs referring to action are those that involve the movement of one's body in one way or the other. For example, walking, talking, running, sitting, ये सब simple जो भी है, they are known as the action words. So हम general अपने sentence में कोई भी वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं जिसमें एक्शन डिस्क्राइब होता है, तो सिंपल दैट इज नोन एज एन एक्शन वर्ड. सो कुछ एग्जांपल्स हम बोल सकते हैं, जैसे आई एम स्लीपिंग, रीना वाज जंपिंग, आई वाज रीडिंग अ इंटरेस्टिंग बुक, यू प्लीज सिट डाउन हियर, डू नॉट टॉक. सो ये सब क्या है? एक्शन इसमें बताया जा रहा है. सो ये सब एक्शन वर्ब्स हो गए. ओके, नाउ द सेकंड वन इज द लिंकिंग वर्ब्स. A linking verb, जैसे कि नाम बता रहा है कि it is a type of a verb which is used to link the subjects in a sentence to other parts of the sentence so that उसमें meaningful वो बन जाए sentence. It connects the subjects to the object or an adjective or even a preposition. So they do not show any action. What is their task? Their task is only to link with one subject with that of the other sentence, like linking of subject with a predicate or linking of two sentences in order to make it more meaningful. For example, in the sentence there are a problem, the word are is the linking verb that connects they and a problem. अगर मैं बोलूं they are a problem, so यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? कोई एक्शन नहीं बता रहा है, बट they and problem में क्या चीज लिंक कर रहा है? are लिंक कर रहा है. So that means it is a linking verb. Now, the most common linking verbs are forms of the verb like to, be, am, is, are, were, being. ये सब कुछ कुछ वर्ड्स है जो हम यूज करते हैं लिंक करने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सनी इज माई ब्रदर. सो व्हाट इज द लिंकेज बिटवीन सनी एंड ब्रदर? माई. is, isn't it? So here is what? Is a verb. So it is used to connect the subject with that of the sentence in order to make it a meaningful. So अगर हम बोले कि एक नाउन को कैसे आप कनेक्ट करते हो एक preposition के साथ, जैसे the dogs were in the park, तो यहाँ पे नाउन क्या हो गया? डॉग्स हो गया, पार्क भी एक नाउन हो गया. अब इस दोनों को क्या लिंक कर रहा है? वर्ब. तो जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि is, are, was, were, being, everything that connects, that helps to connect is known as a connecting verb or a linking verb. तो यहाँ पे हमने दो नाउन्स को लिंक किया. सिमिलरली अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं? अगर हम एक नाउन को एडजेक्टिव के साथ भी लिंक कर सकते हैं, जैसे योर प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ द सिल्कवॉर्म वाज एक्सीलेंट. ओके, सो हियर योर प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ द सिल्कवॉर्म टू द एडजेक्टिव दैट इज एक्सीलेंट को हम कैसे लिंक कर रहे हैं? वी आर लिंकिंग इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ वर्ब व्हिच इज कॉल्ड was. तो यहाँ पे was है जो कि लिंक हो रहा है एक नाउन को एडजेक्टिव के साथ. ओके, नाउ if the next one we come is that we are connecting the subject to the predicate, like the book on a treasure hunt seems interesting. So here again, what is it? The book on a treasure hunt is what? It is a subject, and I am linking it with a adjective, interesting. So what is it? What is a word? The word is seems here. So this is again a, you can say it is a linking verb. So here इसमें क्या यूज हो रहा है? seems यूज हो रहा है. सो इस तरह से हम जो वर्ड को यूज करते हैं, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट इट हैज टू हैव अ एक्शन. कई बार हम वर्ब्स को यूज करते हैं सेंटेंसेस को मीनिंगफुल बनाने के लिए, लिंक करने के लिए. Okay, so that was the second one. Now the last one is the auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb is known as helping words also in very simple language. So as the name suggests, it's a verb which is used to help another verb sound sensible. Again, it is used to make change the other verb's tense, mood or voice, so that auxiliary verb is used. You always have one more verb which acts as a main verb in the sentence. Example मैं बता रही हूँ. I am having another piece of pizza. So इसमें having is already a verb, okay? But what is linking, what is before it, in order to make it meaningful is am. So here helping verb is a am. So what will be the, if anybody asks you what is a helping verb, here it will be am. But otherwise full set अगर खाली verbs पूछा जाए तो that is a having. So she is making dinner for us. So it tells the tense, it tells us the mood, it tells us the voice of any verb. They are planning to go out of town. So planning is already a verb, simple verb. But are is what? It is telling us the what is the requirement of this verb. What is the tense of it? They are, they have not yet. They are planning. So that tense has been dominated here more. So this is known as a helping verbs. Again, she was given the grand prize. She was. Again, she has already been given. So it is telling us the tense of the verb. So she was given the grand prize. We were pleased to be included. Again, pleased is a verb, but what tense and what voice and what mood it is reflecting is verb. So these are the three types of verbs which we have studied today. I hope this chapter is clear to you on the verb. Still, if you have any doubt, you may listen and you may ask any questions, and I would be more than happy to understand if you are having any feedback on this, so that we can give you more lessons with better improvement and for better understanding. I would have a very participating audience, so that this helps us to improve our section, and it makes you more interesting and more learning. Even it should happen. So thank you so much once again for your time, and looking forward to participate again in the next chapter, which will be the tenses. So till then, thank you so much and have a good day.